Alright guys, welcome back to HDC Performance. I felt like I had to do a video to recap everything we've done to it. Um, I chose to do this because we work a lot and it's kind of hard for us to find times to record every single change. But I try my very best. And for the 03 Silverado, I'm going to start from the beginning. We bought the truck, like I mentioned in the first video, we got it off a Facebook Market for a good price. The dude had told me we got it like about today's 4th of July, so we got it about like a two months and a week ago. We haven't touched it until like last week because we've been so busy on the weekends. But we always have to work or party, etc. And I'm gonna just do like a quick recap of everything we've done to it and what we plan to do to it. So right now, this past weekend, we just switched the transmission because that was what was blown out of it. Yeah, we switched it, and the truck works now. It goes forward, reverse, it runs good. Um, what I have to do next to it is change the whole exhaust pipe, porque it makes right now como no tienen los cats, it's just too loud. You're going like 15 miles per hour, and the truck is just screaming, and I can't test the transmission being that loud. And then with the tint it had, I feel like I would get pulled over with the noise and the tint. So first, what we're gonna do after putting the transmission in is we're gonna find the exhaust pipe, the original one, on those cats, just so it could be quiet and we could run it a little more. After that, after we put the exhaust pipe, we plan to change the whole front. We gotta get the. I'm trying to find a truck where I have the whole original front, the whole hood, the whole grill, the lights. I'm changing my little on. The bumper and the two fenders that are pretty messed up. When I find the whole front, after that, I'm gonna have to find the seats. When I'm looking to put the seats into here, is the 2009 or 2011 like Chevy Silverado or Sierra seats. It fits it. I've seen other trucks on Instagram. You see like that. So I'm gonna try and find those and put those on the inside. The whole dashboard, we're gonna change it. And we're also looking for like 2004, 2006 Silverado Yukon. Okay, it's the same, it's GM. You see, le va a quedar. We just gotta find one that's intact and then not broken. After we get that, we'll put that in there. The steering, the harness. I couldn't record this week, but the steering harness, we changed it. I'm gonna show you guys at the very end of the video. I'm gonna show you a clip. But the steering harness, my brother worked on it this week because I've been working. And he been touching on like an hour or two during the week, and I can't lie, he did struggle a bit because this guy had the wiring differently. I don't know how. He had like hella cables going around, and he had like a speaker in front. I don't know why, but it took a while to get it because I feel like there was like a circuit blown or a fuse. There was like a shortage somewhere, but he was able to find it. But I couldn't record it for you guys. But that was fixed. The steering harness, we got a new stereo in there. And we got the harness fixed. De ahí, we're gonna do the top ceiling of the Silverado, que vienen siendo todos los cables que tenía running around. It's all open on top. It has no plastic over the speakers or anything. I gotta find all that brand new and put it in. After that, I'm gonna start looking for the bed. I've been to like 2 or 3 shops around my area, and none of them have them because them beds are kind of hard to find intact. So I've been looking. I'm gonna just keep looking for on tire shops around here, or like mechanic shops, on Facebook, online, and I need to go to more junkyards to see, maybe they have one. They eat the back bumper. Hopefully the back bumper I get it when I find the bed. They a flow master, but for now I'm gonna put the regular exhaust pipe. Ya luego de ahí, when I got it running good, I'm gonna take it somewhere to put the flow master. The headlights, I'm gonna get them aftermarket headlights. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you follow trucks like these, where they do like remodel it and everything, they have these aftermarket lights. They have like a long LED light. They look badass. And I'm gonna put those in there for the front and for the back. That lower ahí, I'm gonna do the LEDs on the inside. Hopefully we will get the light back in there and just LED everything, para que sea más brilloso. They use the tires and the rims. Right now, the ones that I have, everyone's good and everything, no flat. But like I mentioned before, I have the whole set, the Silverado rims. I have three on right now. I have 2 on right now. Then I have the other 2 rims in the back. I gotta find time for those and then put them on. Ya así I have the whole set, and I gotta order the caps, the Silverado caps for that. Those ahí, we're gonna do an engine swap. Right now they have like a 4.3, I think, 4.3, 4.6, 3, one of those. I gotta double check on it, but that's it for now. It's like when it comes like from the shop, from the factory made. Sorry. But I have a 5.8 in there from a Yukon that we had like about a year ago. We still have the motor there. We might put that one in there. 5.3. Sorry, 5.3. We still have it there. We might put that in there first, and then put a 6.0. But if we're gonna do that, it means double work. Might as well just put the 6.0 in there. But we'll see. If I find a 6.0 during the meantime, I'll just definitely put the 6.0 in there before putting the 5.3. And then I gotta get the new Chevy grill sign. It should come with the front end, but I see people that have like you could swap these or paint them. I probably want to paint it black or something, or chrome. I'm gonna change that, and then the inside, the man, then skip that. Once we do the seats, most definitely we gotta change the carpet. Kind of stinks. It smells like shrimp and shit in there. So I gotta get that changed out. Cause I don't know what the other guy had in there, but it's pretty messy. He let a lot of water went in, and it just starts sticking up. I have to buy a whole new carpet for it. That one, I think I might have to look for it online, cause I don't know, the junkyards in the shop, they're usually dirty, cause these trucks, they use them for work and stuff, and you know the carpet is the one that like goes bad, like the very first in the truck. I always step on it with mud and everything, so I might have to order that brand new. And the door swap, the doors work pretty good right now. I don't know if I want to change them because they don't have not really big bumps on it. Todo está bien. When I go get it painted, if the dude, they tell me over there if I have to change it out, no queda bien, then maybe then I'll look into buy the doors. But I still have it in mind when I'm doing the rest of this. When I'm doing the rest of this, I still have it in mind. Si aparece like a door in there, I'll consider it probably buying. The window tint. The window tint que tenía, I don't know if the first video you guys saw it, cause I went by it pretty quick. But the window tint, it had like 2 layers. I don't know what percentage they were, but they were very dark. And you know, I in Memphis, I can't be running around with that tint. They're gonna pull me over. So I took it off, which I'll show you guys too. I took all the tint off because we're gonna put a new one on, but not as dark, probably just 1 layer. Yeah, it should be working fine. Obviously, at the very end, we're gonna do a whole new paint job with everything I put on. We're gonna paint the whole thing. Hopefully the same color, like this is like baby blue. It's really nice though. I'm gonna stick with it because most of it's already blue. And after that, I'm gonna do like a good paint job on it, and it should be good. After that, if there's any small details that I missed, I'll probably catch up to it, but in other like videos. But yeah, hopefully I didn't go too fast. I just wanted like to do another video just to explain everything. Cause in the first video, we just started doing the transmission, but since we were getting dirty and stuff, I couldn't have too much access to the camera. I had to wash my hands, come back, help my brother out, you know, and it was messy. But I tried to get the most that I could. Ya de ahí, I think we should be straight. Hopefully this explained a little bit and caught you guys up a little more. But then let me just show you the inside. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is a new harness and new stereo we put in. It was from my old Chrysler I had like about 2 years ago. It still works though. And sí, queda un poquito flojo. I'll get another one que está un poquito más grande para que quede chingón. And as you can see, we struggled a bit during the week. I had to buy 3 or 4 harnesses. This was the old stereo though. Jalaba bien, pero you had trouble connecting to Bluetooth. And let me just give you a quick look. Vamos a calarlo a ver si jala bien. There we go. Yes, sir. The bocinas it has, though, they're like pretty small. And I gotta buy those too. Damn, I forgot to mention that too. I gotta buy some new bocinas because I need a little more bass. It pays the cumbias though, I'll tell you that. We'll do another test. ¿Y si jala? Reggaetón set. ya lo voy a pagar porque ay, esa canción me hace llorar. Bueno, I just show you what we got going on. I'm gonna try to upload as best I can. For now, I'm doing one video a week. I have more time. I'm gonna try to record more for you guys and show you guys more content and the progress on the truck. Nos vemos.